Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and staying safe at your home. Okay, in today's class, we are going to learn a new lesson. We are going to learn an interesting new story. Okay, so what's the topic? See here. Raju and the money tree. What's the topic of the story? Raju and the money tree. So here I have written the hard words. First of all, we are going to see this hard word. Then we get into the lesson. Okay. See hard words. So dozing. What is meant by dozing? Yes, awake. Dozing, awake. And then barely. Barely means hardly. It's very hard. Okay. Barely means hardly. And then third one, staring. Staring means looking fixedly. Staring, looking fixedly. So dozing, awake, barely, hardly, staring, looking fixedly. Okay, children. So I am going to read this stanza. See, Raju lived with his old mother in a village. He was lazy and dreamed of getting rich all the time. His mother worked day and night and barely managed 2 square meals a day. One day he dreamt about a tree on which money grew. When he woke up, he left home to look for it. He walked day and night without food and water. He decided to rest under a tree. Soon he started dozing. When he woke up, he saw a wise man staring directly into his eyes. Next, this is a dialogue of Raju. Raju is asking, who are you? Wise man. People call me Gopi Chacha. But who are you? Why do you look so tired? Raju. I am Raju. I am in search of a tree on which money grows. Okay. See here, children. Raju lived with his old mother in a village. So there was a boy. His name was Raju. Okay. He is living with his mother in a village. He was lazy and dreamed of getting rich all the time. So Raju was a lazy boy, but he always dreamed of become rich. How to get rich? But he won't work for that. He is a lazy boy. His mother worked day and night and barely managed 2 square meals a day. Okay, what is meant by barely? See here, barely means hardly. So Raju's mother works hardly day and night for what? Yes, to eat a meal. Per day, they eat only 2 square meals. Okay. One day he dreamt about a tree on which money grew. Okay. One day Raju dreamt about what? Yes, money tree. Okay. He dreamed that the tree on which money grew. There was a tree, it gives money. Likewise, Raju dreamed. When he woke up, he left home to look for it. Okay, as soon as Raju woke up from his sleep, he left home for searching of this money tree. He walked day and night without food and water. So this Raju boy is walking day and night in search of that money tree without food and water. He decided to rest under a tree. Soon he started dozing. When he woke up, he saw a wise man staring directly into his eyes. Okay, so Raju feels so tired because he walked day and night without food and water. So he started dozing. Okay, dozing in the sense awake. He decided to rest under a tree. So after walking day and night, he started resting under a tree. And then after some time, he woke up and saw a wise man. Okay, he saw a wise man staring directly into his eyes. What is meant by staring? See here, looking fixedly. A wise man is looking fixedly the Raju boy. Raju is asking the wise man, who are you? Okay, and wise man is replying to Raju, people call me Gopi Chacha. The wise man is replying, I am Gopi Chacha, people call me Gopi Chacha. But who are you? Again this wise man is asking Raju, who are you? Why do you look so tired? Like this, wise man is asking Raju. And then Raju is saying, I am Raju. I am in search of a tree on which money grows. Okay, so my name is Raju. I am searching a money tree. Okay, like this, Raju is replying to wise man. Okay, children, once I am going to read the para. Listen carefully. Raju lived with his old mother in a village. If there is a full stop means you have to give a pass. Okay. He was lazy and dreamt of getting rich all the time. His mother worked day and night and barely managed 2 square of meals a day. One day he dreamt about a tree on which money grew. When he woke up, he left home to look for it. He walked day and night without food and water. He decided to rest under a tree. Soon he started dozing. When he woke up, he saw a wise man staring directly into his eyes. Raju, who are you? Wise man, people call me Gopi Chacha, but who are you? Why do you look so tired? Raju, I am Raju. I am in search of a tree on which money grows. Okay, next. See. So then, wise man is replying, don't worry, you have reached the right place. I will give you some seeds. Plant them in your garden. Take good care of them. Once they sprout, the plants will become trees on which money will grow. But don't tell anyone about this, because if you do, the powers of the seeds will vanish. And then narrated, Raju thanked the wise man for his help and left for his village. His mother was overjoyed to see him. He was a changed boy now. He planted the seeds and watered them every day. He guarded them a day and night. A year passed. The plants became full-grown trees, but there was no sign of money. Raju was disappointed. He felt cheated. Soon the season changed. Flowers came on the tree. Their fragrance spread far and wide. Soon a village merchant wanted to sell Raju's flowers in the town. Okay. This wise man is replying, don't worry, you have reached the right place. Don't worry boy, you reached the right place. I will give you some seed, plant them in your garden. So this wise man is giving some seed to Raju and saying, please plant these seeds in your garden. And what he is saying, take good care of them. So see this plant in your garden and according to that, take a good care of them. What's the sprout? What's meant by sprout? Yes, see here. Sprout means bud. Okay, sprout, bud. Once they sprout, the plant will become trees on which money will grow. So if the bud came means, then the plant will become a big tree and then give you money for you. Like this, wise man is saying. And then, but don't tell anyone about this, because if you do, the powers of the seeds will vanish. What is mean by vanish? See here, vanish means disappear. This wise man is saying that don't tell anyone about this. Okay, so I have given you the seeds, so don't tell about this. But if you said means what will happen? So the powers of the seed will vanish. The power of the seed will disappear. Like this wise man is saying. And then narrator is telling to us, Raju thanked for the wise man for his help and left for his village. And then what Raju is doing? He is thanking this wise man and returning to the village. His mother was overjoyed to see him. Okay, what children? See here, delighted. Okay, overjoyed means delighted, very happy. So Raju mother became very happy. Why? Because his son came to the home back. Okay, and also he was a changed boy now. He became a changed boy. There are some changes in his son. He planted the seed and watered them every day. He guarded them day and night. So, in this Raju boy following the wise man words, he planted the seed in the garden and day and night he is watering to the plant. A year passed. So, some year passed. The plants become full grown tree. So, after the bud, the plant grew and then it became a big tree. But there was no sign of money. The wise man said it will give money for you like this. Wise man said to Raju, but there is no money in this tree. Raju was disappointed. By seeing this, Raju got disappointed. He was very much disappointed. He felt cheated. So what this boy is feeling is he felt cheated. That wise man has cheated us. Soon the season changed. So likewise the season changed. Flowers came on the tree. Their fragrance spread far and wide. Okay, what is meant by fragrance? Good smell. Okay, so after the season changed, flowers came on the tree. Okay, and then their fragrance, the flowers fragrance, the good smell of the flower spread everywhere, far and wide. Soon a village merchant wanted to sell Raju's flowers in the town. So one village merchant is like to sell this flowers in a town. And then see, he purchased some flowers from Raju and paid him a handsome price. So what is meant by handsome price? See here, words. Handsome price means good amount of money. Some good amount of money. And then what is meant by merchant? Seller. One who sell some things is called seller. Okay, they are known as merchant. So here, when the remaining flowers turned into fruits, the merchant bought the fruit too and gave Raju more money. With the money, Raju repaired his old house and purchased new clothes for himself and for his mother. Raju had become rich all of a sudden. He remembered the wise man and thought he had been right and that money did grow on trees. Okay, so what they are saying here? He purchased some flowers from Raju and paid him a handsome price. So, this merchant purchased some flowers from Raju and gave back a money for that flower. When the remaining flowers turned into fruits, okay, then the remaining flowers turned into fruits, okay. So those flowers turned into fruits, okay. The merchant bought the fruit too, okay. This merchant, this seller also bought the fruits also from the Raju and gave Raju more money. So this merchant gave him money for the fruits, okay, more money. With the money, Raju repaired his old house and purchased new clothes for himself and for his mother. So having that money, what Raju did? Yes, he purchased new clothes for himself, for him and also for his mother. And then Raju had become rich all of a sudden. Okay, suddenly the Raju became very rich boy because of this tree. Okay, he remembered the wise man and thought he had been right. So that time Raju remembered about the wise man who gave a seeds to Raju. Okay, and also he thought, Raju thought he had been right. What the wise man said is right. That money did grow on trees. So now this tree gave a money to Raju. So money did grow on trees. Okay, once again I am going to read this paragraph. Listen, children. He purchased some flowers from Raju and paid him a handsome price. When the remaining flowers turned into fruits, the merchant bought the fruits too and gave Raju more money. With the money, Raju repaired old house and purchased new clothes and for himself and for his mother. Raju had become rich all of a sudden. He remembered the wise man and thought he had been right. And that money did grow on trees. Okay, children, have you all understood this story? Okay, this lesson is for your reading practice. You have to read this lesson. Okay, practice reading this lesson and then read the all hard words. Okay, children. Thank you all. Children, now we are going to learn the picture comprehension. What we are going to learn? Yes, picture comprehension. See, what is the spelling? Picture, picture comprehension. Comprehension, picture comprehension. For this, you have to observe the picture very well. Okay, first you have to observe this picture and then you have to read all the question carefully and then you have to answer for this question. Are you all able to see this picture? Yes, a boy is with his mother. Okay, so see here, what is the first question here? There is a boy with his dad. Here the option is father, mother. There is a boy with his dad. Okay, option is father and mother. So, with whom the boy is here? Yes, with his mother. So, we are going to write mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. So, answer is mother. There is a boy with his mother. Okay, and then see the second question. The boy is cutting the plants. Is that true or false? The boy is cutting the plants? No, the boy is watering the plant. Okay, so for this question, answer is false. So here I am going to write false. So the boy is cutting the plants. That is wrong answer. So I wrote false. And then see the third one. There are so many flowers in this picture. Dash. Yes or no? So look at the picture, children. Is there many flowers? Yes, see here. There are so many flowers. Okay. So the answer is S. So you have to write the answer yes. There are so many flowers in this picture. That is the right one. Okay. And see the fourth one. The boy is dash the plant. The options are cleaning, watering. What the boy is doing? Is he cleaning or watering the plant? Yes, he is watering the plant. Okay. So we are going to write watering. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G. Watering. The boy is watering the plants. And then look at the last one. Watering plants is a dash habit. Is that a good habit or bad habit? Yes, watering plants is a very good habit. So good is the answer. Once again, I am going to read all the questions, children. Listen carefully. There is a boy with his mother. Okay, the boy is with his mother. The boy is cutting the plant. This is a false statement. Okay, the boy is not cutting the plant. He is watering the plant. And then see the third one. There are so many flowers in this picture. This is a right statement. Okay, there are many flowers in this picture. And then look at the fourth one. The boy is watering the plants. In this picture, the boy is watering the plants. Okay. And last one. Watering plant is a good habit. So watering plant is a good habit. Okay, children. Have you all understood the picture comprehension? Okay, children, this is the time for your home assignment. Okay, what is your home assignment? See here, complete the given worksheet. Complete the given worksheet. Along with this video, you will be having a worksheet. In that worksheet, you will be having a picture. Okay, related to that picture, I will be asking some question. So you have to write the correct answer for that question. Have you all understood, children? Hope you all enjoy the class. Thank you.